Good morning, student. So today we have to study in rational number comparison of rational numbers. आज हम रेशनल नंबर में कंपैरिजन ऑफ रेशनल नंबर, दो रेशनल नंबर को कंपेयर करेंगे कि विच इज ग्रेटर विच इज लेसर, कौन ज्यादा है और कौन कम है, दोनों में क्या या दोनों इक्वल है या एक की वैल्यू ज्यादा है एक की वैल्यू कम है, either both are equal or one is greater than other. So we have to follow some step. Without following some steps we cannot compare. For compare two rational numbers we have to follow some steps. Steps are given here. We follow the following steps for comparing two rational numbers. First of all, what should we do? पहले हमें क्या करना होगा? Write the given rational numbers so that their denominators are positive. First of all, if rational number is given, if the denominator is negative, you have to change that into positive denominator. पहले जो रेशनल नंबर दिया रहेगा उसका जो डिनोमिनेटर है हम उसको पॉजिटिव में चेंज कर लेंगे. पहला स्टेप यही है कि हमें रेशनल नंबर को जो डिनोमिनेटर है अगर नेगेटिव है तो हमने पॉजिटिव में चेंज कर लेना है. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप टू चेंज डिनोमिनेटर इनटू पॉजिटिव. सेकंड स्टेप, फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ दीस पॉजिटिव डिनोमिनेटर्स. इफ मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ रेशनल नंबर आर गिवन टू कंपेयर, if two rational numbers are given, then we compare to each other. In this condition we have to find the LCM of positive denominator. In first step we have to make the denominators into positive. Second step में वही जो denominators है positive ने बनाया है, denominator का LCM लेना है. In second step we have to take the LCM of positive denominators. In third step, write rational numbers so that they have the common positive denominators. Write rational numbers so that they have the common positive denominators. In this step, we have to make common positive denominators so that the rational number which are given both suppose that one here 1/6 and 7/14 two rational numbers. Here we have to make both rational number common denominators. मतलब दोनों का तीसरा स्टेप में जो दोनों रेशनल नंबर का हम कंपेयर करेंगे दो रेशनल नंबर का, उसमें क्या है हम डिनोमिनेटर को कॉमन बना देंगे. मतलब दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम होना चाहिए. दोनों डिनोमिनेटर का जब when the denominators of both rational numbers will be equal, then we can compare. जब हम रेशनल नंबर को दोनों का रेशनल नंबर में डिनोमिनेटर जब सेम हो जाएगा तो हम कंडीशन क्या करेंगे? the number having greater denominator is greater rational number. So the number having the greater numerator will be greater rational number. जिस रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा होगा वो रेशनल नंबर बड़ी होगी. जिस रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर कम होगा वो रेशनल नंबर छोटी होगी. ये these are the steps by following we can find the same denominator and we can compare between two rational numbers. Now take the examples. Which are two rational numbers 1/6 and 7/15 is greater? इसमें कहा गया है कि कौन सी रेशनल नंबर 1/6 में and 7/15 में कौन सी ग्रेटर है? which is greater in both rational numbers. The given rational numbers are 1/6 and 7/15. यहाँ दो रेशनल नंबर दिए गए 1/6 और 7/15. ये दो रेशनल नंबर हैं, इसमें हमें कंपेयर करना है. तो स्टेप में क्या कहा गया है? व्हाट इज स्टेप? इन स्टेप फर्स्ट स्टेप write the given rational number so that their denominators are positive. First of all, we have to make the denominators of given rational numbers into positive. But here both are positive, so there is no need to change it because it is already positive. क्योंकि पहले से ही पॉजिटिव है. अब हम क्या करेंगे? Second, find the LCM of these positive numbers. ये denominator ये 6 है और ये 15, इसका हम LCM निकालेंगे. We have to find the LCM of both denominator 6 and 15. Here, first of all we have divide at this number except 1. 1 के अलावा सबसे छोटी संख्या से देखें कौन सा डिवीजन है. 2 3 is 6. 50 is not divisible, so we write 15 as it is. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Now we have to divide by 5. 5 1 is 5. So जब 1 1 आ गया लास्ट में हम इसको छोड़ देते हैं. अब LCM 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. So we get the LCM of 6 and 15. What is that? What is the LCM of these numbers? 30. So second step is complete. Now we have to make common positive denominator. The denominator of both rational numbers should be 30. Now we write 1 by 6. Up we have to divide 30 by 6. 30 and 6. 6 we have to divide 30 by 6. 6 5 जा 30. कितने टाइम्स किया? 5 times. So we have to multiply by 5 in numerator and denominator. 1 by 1 into 5, 6 into 5. 5 1 is 5, 6 5 is 30. Now take the second 7 by 50. Here 7 by 50, we have to make denominator into 30. So 30 by 50. 30 will be divided by 15. 15 2 is 30. 2 times. So we have to multiply by 2 in numerator and also in denominator. 7 2 is 14. 15 2 is 30. 2 से दोनों में डिवाइड किया गया. 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. यहाँ पे 50 से डिवाइड कर दूंगा तो न्यूमरेटर में उससे मल्टीप्लाई और डिनोमिनेटर में भी उससे मल्टीप्लाई. जितने टाइम्स जाएगा उतने ही उसी से न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना होता है. 7 2 is 14, 15 2 is 30. So we get 14 by 30. Here we see in both 5 by 30 and 14 by 30. Both common denominator. Yes, in this step we get common denominator. We made common denominator in first rational number and second rational number. Both we have made it common denominators. 15 by 30, 14 by 30. In both denominator is equal. Now fourth step, the numerator having greater numerator, greater rational number. जिस रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा होगा वो रेशनल नंबर बड़ी होगी. यहाँ पर देखते हैं जो 14 का न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा है और डिनोमिनेटर इसका न्यूमरेटर 14 है, इसका न्यूमरेटर 5 है. जबकि डिनोमिनेटर पर while denominators are same, the numerator having greater numerator is greater rational number. जिस रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर ज्यादा होगा वो रेशनल नंबर बड़ी होगी. जिस रेशनल नंबर का न्यूमरेटर कम होगा वो रेशनल नंबर छोटी होगी. तो 14 यहाँ पे14 is greater than 5. So 14 by 30 is greater than 5 by 30. So clearly, hence what is the value of 14 by 30? 14 by 30 की वैल्यू क्या है? 7 by 15. So we can write 7 by 15 at the place of 14 by 30. And what is the value of 5 by 30? 5 by 30, 1 by 6. The value of 5 by 30 is 1 by 6. So 7 by 15 is greater than 1 by 6. So we can compare between two rational numbers. So I think you will be understanding this. These are the comparison of rational numbers. It is very easy. I think all of you will be understanding this. Now we discuss important facts during the comparison between two rational numbers, because after doing solution, after this we can compare between two rational numbers by following this. But in every case we have not to do a large process. By seeing the question we can compare easily. So we learn how to compare by seeing the questions easily. So we have to follow the note. Here we have to follow some rules by which we can compare easily. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. Every positive rational numbers is greater than 0. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. जितने भी पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर हैं वो सब 0 से बड़े होते हैं. लाइक 0 1/2, 5 0 5, 1/3 0. Every positive rational number is greater than 0. Here we see that 1/2 is positive, 5 is positive, 1/3 is positive. 0 is neither negative nor positive. So 0 is greater than, listen, 0 is lesser than every positive number, or you can say in other words, every positive rational number is greater than 0. So we can write 0 is less than 1/2, 0 is less than 1/5, 0 is less than 1/3. इन तीनों में हम देखते हैं कि 0 जो है किसी भी पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर, कोई भी पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर हो, पॉइंट में हो, चाहे फ्रैक्शनल में हो, चाहे रेशनल नंबर में हो, वो सबसे छोटा होता है. मतलब मींस एवरी पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर इज greater than 0. Now we have to find second fact. Every negative rational number is less than 0. Second is every negative rational number is less than 0. In second step, every negative rational number is less than 0. Suppose that -1/2 and 0. 3 0. -1/20 0. Here -1/2 is negative. Here 3 is negative. Here -1/20 it is also negative. But 0 in every negative rational number is less than 0. So -1/2 is less than 0. -3 is less than 0. -1/20 is less than 0. ये है second, every negative rational number is less than 0. Here minus 1 by 2 is negative. 1 by 2 is negative, so it will be less than 0. Here minus 3 is negative, so it will be less than 0. 1 by 20 is negative, so it will be less than 0. And third, every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational number. Yeah, every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational number. Every positive rational number is always greater than every negative rational. Suppose that minus 5 by 2, 1 by 20, minus 1 by 50, minus 20 by 41, 1 by here minus 5 by 2, 1 by 20, minus 1 by 50, minus 20 by 41 and 1 by 2. Here 5 by 2 is in negative. 5 by 2 is negative rational number and 1 by 20 is positive rational number. So positive rational number is always greater than negative rational number. So minus 1 is negative and it is 1 by 15 is positive. So 1 by 15 will be greater than minus 1 and 20 by 41 is negative rational number and 1 by 2 is positive rational number. So positive rational number is always greater than negative rational numbers. So with the help of these 3 points we have to compare between two numbers without doing large calculation. If any two rational numbers are given in two rational numbers, one is 0 and other is positive, so we can write 0 is less than positive integers and every negative rational number is less than 0. If we have to compare 0 and negative rational number, we can do easily without doing calculation. Every negative rational number is less than 0. Either you can say that 0 is greater than every negative rational number. In third, every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational numbers. So every positive rational number is greater than negative rational number, because when we shall teach you about the number lines, you will understand it clearly. Now take an examples. With the help of examples, you will be able to solve this types of question from your exercise books. Which are the rational number? Which example? Which of the two rational numbers. Which of the two rational numbers 15/6 and -2/5 is greater? Here one rational number is positive and second rational number is negative. So there is no need to doing large calculation. We can easily 15/6 is greater than -2/5. Here you can say, you can write every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational number. Okay, every positive rational number is greater than every negative rational number. Here we did not do long solution. By following the previous steps, we did compare easily. Every positive integer is greater than negative integer. Every negative rational number is lesser than every positive rational number. Every negative rational number is lesser than 0, or you can say 0 is greater than every negative rational number. It is sufficient for today. So we see on next videos are related to rational number. Thanks.